Why do 60% of investors panic when oil prices plunge? U.S. crude just dropped 2% to $57.13 a barrel, the lowest since February 2021. Brent crude, also down to $60.23. The culprits? Over 800,000 barrels a day hitting the market thanks to OPEC Plus ramping up production for the second month in a row. Add in recession fears, rising U.S. tariffs, and weaker demand, and you've got a perfect storm. Goldman Sachs now predicts U.S. crude at just $56 a barrel for 2025. Even oil giants like Chevron and Exxon are feeling the squeeze with falling profits. So what's next? Keep an eye on those market moves because things could get even more interesting. Stay tuned, stay smart, and ride the wave.